Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. This is going to be my second face paint for the day. I am doing a peacock inspired look. I'm going to do a peacock on my face. So, I haven't really gotten any sleep. I gave myself a 3-hour nap this morning, and I am 100% wrecked, but I don't want to go back to sleep and then ruin my sleeping patterns and all that. So if I look a little rough, that's why. I've already glued down my eyebrows. They're tacky, but they're dry because I'm going to be using the upper portion of my face to... Oh, fuck, I just put myself in the eye. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna use the upper third or 3/4 of my face for this face painting. So if you guys are interested in watching me do another face paint, then keep watching. Okay guys, so this is my final look. I am pretty pleased with the way that this came out. I need to work more on my 3-dimension aspects of my paintings. That I'm finding really difficult to try and create that 3D look to it. But I mean, all in all, like, I'm pretty proud of the way that this came out. Let me see if I can zoom you in a little bit more. There we go. I think that was about as far as it was before last time. Any Hoosier. Yeah, so the face is not great. The feathers I feel like were fun and flirty. They were really laborious, like time consuming to do, as I'm sure you'll see in the video. Or in the playback rather. But yeah, I'm overall pretty happy with the way that this looks. Yeah, not much else to say about that. Anyways, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.